Good evening, ma'am. Good evening, ma'am.
Yeah, good evening, Fitrik. I was on call. Good evening, ma'am. Good evening.
Good evening, ma'am. Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening. Good evening. Let's wait for 2 minutes for people to join, and once we have, we can start with the class. Okay, all of you are turning cameras on. Ritika, Meghna, Lashita, and above. All cameras on, please. Ritika, Meghna. Anubhav. Anubhav and Kritika, please turn your cameras on.
Ma'am, I can't on the camera.
Is it still not fixed? What happened last class? It was fixed, right? It was fine, right? Okay, fine, Anubhav. Please fix your camera soon. Okay. I hope, yeah, Kritika, actually your camera is working.
Ma'am, it's working, but I can't on it because just because like I won't be visible if I on the camera.
Try owning it. Yeah, you're visible.
Ma'am, but I need to check like this. It will be hard for me to write on.
Okay, fine, fine. All of you are done with your homework?
Yes, ma'am, we are done with our.
Yes, ma'am.
I sent you.
Sai Kritika, I think I didn't save your number. Can you tell me your number? The number in which you sent me the homework.
Ma'am, I have sent you. Actually, ma'am, the number I have, I'll just send like I have two contacts. Like
Can you send me a hi so I can save your number?
Ma'am, currently I don't have a phone available with me. It's like with my
Okay,
parents.
tell me your number. Tell me your number. I'll type and see if you have sent.
63053.
63053. Yeah, got it. I've already just texted, but I didn't get any homework.
Ma'am, should I put a discussion otherwise if you won't get, because I sent it. That's my number, ma'am.
Okay, what is your other number?
Ma'am?
What is your other number? You said two numbers. No, what is the other number?
That's with my mom, ma'am. I didn't send you that.
Okay, because I haven't received your homework from any of the numbers, so please check
Ma'am,
it.
the thing is that I have two numbers, but one of them won't have your, like, it's logged in with the group, but it don't have your number.
Okay,
like my mom.
Okay, fine. Even if I haven't like saved the number.
Ma'am, I'll just send you just now. Otherwise, I'll just send it now and I'll just put a discussion.
Yeah, sure. Okay. Next, Anubhav. Ma'am, why is this answer wrong for me? I have written the correct answer. Yeah, Anubhav, this is what we had already discussed in last class. Were you there in last class? Anubhav, were you there last class?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, in last class, I clearly mentioned to all of y'all that I already told y'all to write your fill in the blanks question as a single word answer. For those who wrote double word answer, the system has given you wrong. So I rechecked for all of y'all and I've given mark for all of y'all. I even typed the separate answers for all of y'all. Like I gave separate marks. I gave you all different marks. So even if it's given wrong for you, I've given you mark. So you need not worry about that. Okay. Sorry, Anubhav, I can't hear you. It's very low.
I've seen the marks you have sent it in the group.
Yeah. Okay, fine. Where is your homework?
I'm sending.
Quickly. Why everybody's delaying today? Kritvik, you already sent?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Find out tropical resource. Okay, very good. Okay, very good. Nashita. Nashita, where's your Wednesday's homework?
Ma'am, I sent the first question, but not the second.
Why? Do you have a reason?
Ma'am, yesterday we went out.
Yesterday, fine. What about day before? Yesterday was in Wednesday. Yeah. Why isn't your homework done? Because I texted you all the homework Wednesday morning, 10 o'clock itself. I posted the homework. Meghna, Meghna, have you sent me your homework?
No, ma'am, but I have done it.
Why you didn't send it to me?
Ma'am, I don't know to send a.
Okay, since you knew, you didn't know. Okay, fine. After class, just send it to me in my WhatsApp. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
It's there in the group, so just send it to me in my private chat.
Okay, ma'am.
You've done the Wednesday's homework also?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, very good, fine. Okay. Varshit. Tropical rainforest in India. Okay, very good, Varshit. Yeah, let me check on the 5 animals. What about the Wednesday's homework?
That day I was not in the class.
Nobody was in the class. Wednesday, I didn't take any class, but I posted the homework in the group. Why didn't you check it? Yeah, Anubhav. Why didn't you check it? Huh? I don't understand what you're trying to say. Yeah, you should check it. No, that's the least you can do, right? Next time, guys, please check for updates in the group. Not being able to see the group is not at all an excuse. If there is no class, then how are you guys getting to know without looking at the group? So please look at the group. And also, Anubhav, this is not how you write the answer. Okay, I want properly, neatly a page full. You need to write the question, you need to write answer, and then write the answer. Not simply just write 5 animals and send me a small screenshot of it. Okay. So don't do this again. Next time, I want more neat answers. Keep a separate notebook for your tuition. Because you all know that I haven't been asking you all for homework or being very strict on this, but nowadays I'm supposed to because it's an order from the management. And also, I spoke to many of your parents. For those who are scoring very low, for those who are not doing your homework regularly, from next time onwards,
Now I sent my homework in the discussion.
where did you send
Discussions, ma'am.
this content? Where is it?
Discussions like discussion.
No, don't upload it in the resources, Kritika. The homeworks are only to be sent on WhatsApp.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah, I got your homework, but next time onwards, send it on WhatsApp. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
What about the Wednesday's homework, Kritika?
Wednesday.
Yeah.
On Wednesday we don't have any class.
We didn't have class, but I posted the homework. No, why didn't you do it? I gave y'all homework since I wasn't able to take class that day. Y'all are knowing that there is no class by looking at the group, but y'all can't see the homework in the group.
Sorry, ma'am.
Kritika and Anubhav and Lashita, I want your homework, this homework, along with the next homework I'll be giving y'all today. I hope
Okay.
I'm clear. Okay.
Ma'am, what's the homework? Because like I don't have homework.
The homework is I want you to name all the tropical rainforests in India. You can check the group, it's there in the group only.
Ma'am, currently I don't have a mobile number.
It's not necessary now. Next, I'm going to check on Monday only. Your next class is on Monday only. So within
Okay,
that,
ma'am.
you can check and send it to me. Okay. Okay, fine. So getting back to our lesson, just give me a minute. I'll share my screen.
Ma'am, we wrote the animal names and all, like polar regions and all.
Yeah, I checked that. Mm. 1 minute, I'll share my screen. Okay, we saw in detail about the polar region and how the migration of the birds and all occur. Now we're going to say about the tropical rainforests. Okay, so the tropical region, you know that it has generally a very hot climate because it is located around the equator. Where is the equator? Where is the equator?
Ma'am, it's the middle of at the middle one. It's also called as it's the middle, like prime meridian. It's in the middle of the like correctly like a horizontal line in the middle of the.
Yeah, so basically the centermost part of the earth. Okay, so this is the hottest. Okay,
Because sun rays directly fall on the sun.
yeah, and you all know very much these other poles, and they are the coldest,
Yes, ma'am.
right?
Yes.
So basically, I'm dividing the regions of the earth. 1 minute. Now this is the earth. Okay, now for the earth, now I'm dividing it into 3 regions. One is topmost region. We used a highlighter for better understanding. I'm doing it very slowly because it's very important, guys. So please listen carefully. Okay, this region and this region are the poles region, right? So they are known as the Arctic region. What are they called as?
Arctic regions are
Yeah, so Arctic regions are the coldest.
like they're cold because they're near the pole that they don't receive that much sun.
Yeah, basically. Okay, so they are the Arctic region, or it's called as Arctic Circle. Okay, so the Arctic region is called as the frigid zone.
The
Okay. Now, after the Arctic region, you have a little more greenery region. Okay. So it's more green and all the forests and all over here. Okay. This region is called as the
Tropic.
it's called as the temperate zone. Okay. Frigid
Okay.
zone. Now you have the temperate zone. Okay. So do you know that this is the Arctic region on the top? So apart from Arctic region, you can say the term. It's called the Arctic Circle. And this is called the Antarctic Circle. Okay. Now the second region is called as the temperate zone. Now finally the mid region, that is the hottest region. It's called as the
Tropical or
torrid zone.
torrid.
Torrid zone. All right. So these are the three zones, three important zones of the planet Earth, which is divided based on the climatic condition over there. All right. Okay. So now these are the regions. So now tell me, in which zone are the forests located?
Ma'am, in the temperate zone.
The temperate zone. Very good. Okay. So now let's look at the lines of the Earth. So obviously the center line.
Mhm.
Okay. It is the
That's
equator.
called equator. Also called as a primary region.
Yeah. Okay. Then after the equator, you have another region. Just below the equator,
We have Tropic of Capricorn.
very good. We have
Tropic.
Tropic of Capricorn.
Above the equator, we have Tropic of Cancer.
Right above the region, we have Tropic of Cancer.
Cancer. And at the top, at the Arctic zone and all, we have poles, North Pole and the South.
Yeah. Okay. This is the basic map outline of the Earth you need to very much know. Okay. This is the very important part. Okay. So I hope this is clear to all of y'all. Okay. So the tropical region, you know that it's generally hot because of the location. It is around the equator. You can see that the region is completely around the equator. Okay. So around the equator only it is located. So even in the coldest month, the temperature is generally as high as 15 degrees Celsius, is somewhat high only. Okay. So during hot summers, the temperature will, so even in the coldest months, or let us say during winter. During winter, the temperature in the tropical region is 15 degrees Celsius, whereas in summer, it is as high as 40 degrees Celsius. Okay, so days and nights, they're almost equal length. Okay, so 12 hours, if there is day, 12 hours night. Okay, so it is equal. So these regions, they're called tropical. Why tropical? Because they get plenty of rainfall. They get lots of rainfall. Okay, so another important feature of this region is in the tropical rainforests is that they get lots of rainfall. Okay, tropical rainforests, they are found in Western Ghats, in Assam, all these regions in India, which you already found out as your homework. So because of this continuous warmth and rain, because of this only, the tropical regions are having variety of plants and animals. That's why they're very green. That is why they're called forests. Okay, so the major animals which you already found out are the monkeys, apes, gorillas, tigers, elephants, leopards, and all. Okay, now we are going to see about the adaptation of these animals in this hot and humid climate. So what is the climate basically in the tropical regions? It is hot and humid. Am I clear?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now we're going to see how the adaptation of these animals in the tropical regions is in the hot and humid climate. Okay, so the climatic condition in the rainforest, you can see they are very highly suitable for supporting an enormous number of variety of animals, because the animals are able to tolerate only so many plants and animal variety is there. Whereas you can see the variety of animals is very little in the deserts as compared to forest. Because why? Because the climatic condition in desert is not suitable for most of the animals. But the tropical condition or the climatic condition in the tropical region is very suitable for millions of animals. That is why there are so many types of plants and so many types of animals. Since the number of these plants and animals is large, there is an intense competition for food and shelter. Continuously, you need food and shelter because there are so many animals over there. So many animals are adapted to live on the trees because trees are abundant over there. Okay, so red-eyed frog. Now let us look at few of the animals one by one. Okay, there's this animal called red-eyed frog. Okay, so this red-eyed frog, what they have is they have sticky pads on their feet. You know that frog's feet looks like webbed feet only, you know. I hope all of you are aware.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so they have somewhat feet like this only. So what this feet has, they have sticky pads. Okay, so they have sticky pads on their feet. What the sticky pad will do is it will help them to climb the trees. Okay, in which on the trees only they will live. So to help them live on the trees, another animal, that is the monkey, they have long tail. Why? To grasp on the trees, to grasp the tree's trunk and the branches so that they can easily climb. Okay, so again for them to easily live on the trees. So you can see that their hands and feet are in such a way so that they can easily, even their hands and feet, the same like human beings, in such a way that they can hold the tree or grasp the tree branches. So as there is a competition of food, some of the animals are adapted to get food that is not easily reachable. For example, there is this bird called the token. How many of you have watched Dora? Have you watched Dora? Anybody knows Dora cartoon?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. You know Diago cartoon? Yes, anybody knows Diago?
No, ma'am, I don't watch.
Okay, so you can in Dora, you can see there's a bird that has a very big beak. It has a colorful beak. It has a yellow beak, and it talks. It's called as the token. I'll show you the image. Maybe you'll remember if I show you the image. Have you all seen this bird?
Yes. Like,
Yeah. So this bird, which it lives in the tropical region, this bird token, what it does, it has a very long and a large beak. Okay. This will help the token to reach the fruits on the branches, which will otherwise it is too weak to support its weight. Okay. So it can easily like eat the fruits on the branches. Okay. So another bird, that is the token. What it has is, it has to reach the fruits on the tree. Okay, so many tropical animals, they have sensitive hearing. Okay, that is even light, if you move also they can hear. Very sensitive, they're very sensitive. So many animals, they have sensitive hearing, they have sharp eyesight.
ma'am, example eagles.
Sorry.
Sharp eyesight eagles. Ma'am.
Yeah, it's not only eagle, many other animals have sharp eyesight. Okay, and they have sharp eyesight, they have thick skin.
Thick skinned polar bear.
I'm talking about tropical region, not polar.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, thick skin, and they also have skin color that will help them to
Ma'am, I have a doubt.
very good camouflage. 1 minute.
Ma'am, I have a doubt.
1 minute. 1 minute. Okay, so this will help them to blend in their surrounding. This is to protect them from the predators. Okay, like you can see that big cats like lions and tigers, they have all thick skin, and they have very sensitive hearing, so they can quickly catch their prey. Okay, so there is an animal called the macaque. Show you the macaque. Just hold on your doubt for a minute now. When I'm giving you time to write down, that is the time I will discuss the doubts. So please ask your doubts then. Okay.
Okay.
Have you all seen this animal?
No, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yeah, it comes in a lot of movies also, and it comes in National Geography channel also. Okay, this is called as the lion-tailed macaque. Okay, so these lion-tailed macaque, they live in the rainforest in the Western Ghats. Okay, so one of the features of this is that it has a silver white hair. You can see it's almost like silver whitish hair. Okay, what it'll do, it'll surround its whole head and its cheek. So it is a good climber. So basically, when it closes its eyes and sits, they won't, some dried bushes and all is there. It can go hide there. You won't even know that it's sitting there. Okay, so it's a very good climber and it spends most of the time in the tree. It feeds mainly. So I'm just gonna write the features of a lion-tailed macaque. Okay, so lion-tailed macaque. Which helps in good camouflaging. It also is a good climber. Feeds on fruits, seeds, leaves, stem. Okay. It also searches for insects under the bark of the tree. Since it's able to get most of the food it will get in the tree itself, it will rarely come to the ground. Okay, so another animal, well-known animal is the tropical region is the elephant, which you already did as a homework. So what is it of an elephant? You all very much know that it is adapted to the rainforest condition. So you can see that it has a very long trunk. It uses as a
and
nose.
it has sharp, what's it called, ma'am? Sharp types of teeth.
Tusk.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So
Tusk,
it uses
and it has like, ma'am, is it skin thick?
that's not a feature, but yeah, it has thick skin. Okay. So it uses its trunk as a nose, which has a very strong sense of smell. It is also used for picking food.
Picking fruits
Okay.
and food.
Moreover, its tusk, it is modified into teeth. Okay. So the elephants, so these, what they can do is they can tear the bark of the tree so that the elephants will love to eat. So the elephants also, they are able to handle the competition of food. So they have a large stomach, so they can hold on hunger for long. So they also have large ears. Okay, so it will help them even to hear very soft sound also they can hear. Okay, so they also help the elephant to keep cool. This large
Long
ear
legs, ma'am. Long legs.
doesn't have long leg, it's a short legs only. Okay, so sound, for good sound, and it also it's used for um so they can flap their ears for air. It also helps them to keep them cool in the rainforest conditions. So these are the features of the tropical regions. Please make note of it.
Yes, ma'am. 1 minute, ma'am.
Yeah, what was your doubt, Kritik?
Ma'am, I solved it, ma'am. Like, I asked ma'am, do elephants have thick skin?
Okay, okay. So when you're done, please tell me your name and tell me you're done when you're done, guys.
Ma'am, can you zoom out with the heading? I can't see the heading.
This tropical rainforest.
Yes. Ma'am, can you put it a bit up?
There's nothing up.
Because
It's just I've just written tropical rainforest. That's it.
ma'am, because there's an arrow connecting up.
That's only tropical rainforest. That's it.
Okay. Ma'am, that winter and summer are about tropical, like rainforest only.
No, come again.
Ma'am, that like winter, summer, degrees, ma'am. Celsius degrees.
Yeah, the winter degree is 15 degrees and summer it's 40 degrees.
Like about rainforest.
Yeah.
Ma'am, that's it completed.
Okay. Okay.
Ma'am, Meghana completed.
Okay.
Completed, ma'am.
Okay. I hope all of y'all are done. Okay, so your homework for today will be to name two places from each zone. Okay, so your question is I want you to give me two places from each region, torrid, temperate, and frigid. And I want you to find which is the hottest place on the planet Earth and the coldest place on the planet Earth. And you should see if humans survive in these hottest and the coldest region. If yes, they survive. If yes, then I want you to tell me how they survive. What are the adaptation techniques that they use if they survive? If they don't survive, then you need not answer this. But if they survive, I want you to find this part also. Am I clear?
Ma'am, can you once go to features of a land-tailed macaque?
Which one? Which one?
Ma'am, features of a land-tailed macaque. Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, I need to note down the homework.
Yeah. Just give me 1 minute.
Ma'am, otherwise you can put the full screen.
Wait. Is it visible, the homework and the features of the line tech macaque? Both of it?
Ma'am, now I'm doing coffee and elephant.
You're doing for it elephant.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. It's completing, ma'am. Completed, ma'am. I know. I know.
Okay, if you're done with your noting the homework, you can leave the class.
Okay. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you. Bye.
Ma'am, I have a doubt. Do we have Sunday test like day after tomorrow? Do we have a test?
Yeah, of course.
Ma'am, on this lesson, complete lesson, ma'am.
Whatever, yeah, the complete lesson. From this, the lesson's over, so this complete lesson will be there.
Only this lesson, ma'am.
Only this lesson.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, you will upload this in the resources page.
Yeah, I will upload it.
Thank you, ma'am. Bye.
Thank you. Bye.
Ma'am, I'm done.
Yeah, you can leave that. Bye.
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.